Most people use the same weak password for everything, and hackers know it. But did you know there are actually 10 completely different types of password managers? Each one keeping you safe in a completely different way. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one you need. Let's get into it. Cloud-based password manager. A cloud-based password manager stores all of your encrypted passwords on remote servers operated by the service provider, making your password vault accessible from any device, anywhere in the world, by logging into the service with a single master password. The convenience of cloud synchronization is the defining advantage of this category. Add a new password on your laptop, and it instantly appears on your phone, tablet, and any other device connected to your account without any manual transfer or configuration. LastPass, Dashlane, and Bitwarden are among the most widely used cloud-based password managers, with Bitwarden standing out as an open-source option that allows security researchers to independently verify its code and encryption implementation. The security model relies on end-to-end encryption. The provider encrypts the password vault on your device before it ever leaves for their servers, meaning the company storing your data cannot read your passwords, even if they wanted to. Only your master password can decrypt the vault. The risk specific to cloud-based managers is that the provider becomes a high-value target for attackers. The LastPass breach of 2022 demonstrated this risk when attackers accessed encrypted vault data, reminding users that the strength of their master password and two-factor authentication directly determines their vault security. Local Password Manager. A local password manager stores your encrypted password vault entirely on your own device rather than in any cloud service, giving you complete control over where your data lives and eliminating dependence on any third-party server infrastructure. KeePass is the most widely used local password manager, a free open-source application that stores passwords in an encrypted database file that exists only on the devices you choose to put it on, with the database file never automatically leaving your control. The security advantage of local storage is significant. With no cloud synchronization, there is no remote server to breach, no company that could be hacked to expose your encrypted vault, or no subscription service that could change its privacy policy or go out of business. Synchronization across devices requires manual effort with local password managers. Users typically sync their KeePass database file between devices using their own chosen storage solution, like a personal cloud drive, a NAS device, or by manually copying the file. Local password managers are particularly popular among security professionals, privacy advocates, and technically inclined users who prefer maintaining direct control over their data and are comfortable managing their own synchronization rather than relying on an automated cloud service. Browser-based password managers. Browser-based password managers are built directly into web browsers. Chrome's Password Manager, Safari's Keychain, Firefox Lockwise, and Microsoft Edge's Password Manager all offer integrated password saving, autofill, and generation capabilities that require no additional software installation. The primary advantage of browser-based password managers is zero friction. They're already present in the browser most users already have, require no additional accounts or subscriptions, and integrate seamlessly with the browsing experience through automatic save prompts and autofill. Browser password managers have improved dramatically in recent years. Modern versions include password strength analysis, identification of reused passwords, alerts when saved passwords appear in known data breaches, and password generation tools. The significant limitation of browser-based managers is that passwords are tied to a specific browser. Passwords saved in Chrome are not automatically available in Safari or Firefox. And more critically, browser passwords typically cannot autofill into desktop applications outside the browser itself. Security researchers note that browser password managers are less secure than dedicated alternatives in certain respects.
Malware targeting browsers can sometimes extract saved passwords from browser storage, while dedicated password managers typically provide stronger isolation from other running software.
Enterprise Password Managers. Enterprise password managers are designed for organizations rather than individual users, managing the credentials of entire workforces, enforcing password policies across all employees, enabling secure sharing of team credentials, and providing detailed audit trails of who accessed which passwords and when. 1Password Teams, Keeper Enterprise, and CyberArk are among the leading enterprise password management platforms, offering features that individual-focused products do not provide, including role-based access controls, directory service integration, and compliance reporting. Shared credential management is one of the most critical capabilities of enterprise password managers, allowing IT teams to securely share service account passwords, API keys, and system credentials among authorized employees without anyone needing to know the actual password value. The audit trail functionality of enterprise password managers provides accountability that individual tools cannot. Every time a credential is accessed, modified, or shared is recorded, creating an evidence trail that is essential for security investigations and compliance requirements. Organizations managing privileged access, the powerful administrative credentials that can access critical systems, use enterprise password managers as the foundation of their privileged access management programs, enforcing rotation, usage logging, and strict access controls on the most sensitive credentials in their environment. Biometric password managers. Biometric password managers use physical characteristics, fingerprints, facial recognition, iris scans, or voice patterns as authentication methods for accessing the password vault, replacing or supplementing the traditional master password with biological identifiers. Apple's keychain, integrated with Face ID and Touch ID, represents the most widely used implementation of biometric password management, allowing iPhone and Mac users to access their saved passwords with a glance or fingerprint touch rather than typing a master password. The convenience benefit of biometric authentication is significant. Unlocking a password manager with a fingerprint takes less than a second, eliminating the friction that causes many users to choose weak, memorable passwords over strong ones they would struggle to recall. The security model of biometric authentication creates an important consideration. Biometric data is stored locally on the device's secure hardware element and never leaves the device, meaning the biometric itself is not transmitted or stored by any cloud service. The limitation of biometric authentication is that biometrics cannot be changed if compromised. If a fingerprint is somehow replicated or facial recognition is spoofed, the user cannot simply generate a new password the way they would generate a new password. Open source password managers. Open source password managers publish their complete source code publicly, allowing independent security researchers, developers, and privacy advocates to examine exactly how the software works, verify its encryption implementation, and confirm that no hidden backdoors or data collection exist. Bitwarden is the most prominent open source password manager, offering both cloud and self-hosted options. Its code has been independently audited multiple times by security firms, with audit results published publicly, providing a level of transparency that proprietary closed-source alternatives cannot match. The fundamental security argument for open source is that transparency enables trust. With closed-source software, users must trust the developer's claims about how the software works, while with open source, those claims can be independently verified by anyone with the technical knowledge to read code. The open source community contributes to security by identifying and reporting vulnerabilities. Bugs discovered by independent researchers are typically disclosed and patched through a public process, while vulnerabilities in closed source software may go undetected for longer without external scrutiny.
Self-hosting capability provided by some open-source password managers, particularly Bitwarden's self-hosted deployment option, allows technically inclined users and organizations to run their own password manager server infrastructure, maintaining complete control over where password data is stored.
Offline Password Manager. An offline password manager operates entirely without any internet connectivity, storing, generating, and retrieving passwords without ever connecting to any network, making it immune to remote attacks and network-based data interception. This category is appropriate for environments with extreme security requirements, classified government environments, air-gapped systems, critical infrastructure control networks, and any context where network connectivity itself represents an unacceptable security risk. Hardware password managers represent a physical implementation of offline password management. Dedicated devices like the Only Key store credentials in hardware with no wireless connectivity, requiring physical possession of the device to access any stored credentials. The absolute air gap provided by offline password managers represents a significant usability trade-off. There is no autofill convenience, no synchronization between devices, and accessing passwords requires manual copying, which is inconvenient for everyday use, but may be acceptable for specific high-security use cases. Intelligence agencies, defense contractors, and facilities handling classified information use offline password management solutions as part of broader security architectures designed around the assumption that any internet-connected component is a potential attack vector.
Family password managers. Family password managers extend individual password management to household units, providing separate private vaults for each family member alongside shared family vaults for accounts and subscriptions that multiple members need to access. 1Password Families and Bitwarden's family plans are the leading offerings in this category, allowing parents to manage their own private credentials while sharing streaming service passwords, home network credentials, and household account information with appropriate family members. Emergency access features included in family-oriented password managers allow designated trusted family members to request access to a vault in emergency situations, providing access to important credentials if the account holder becomes incapacitated without compromising everyday privacy. Parents with children approaching the age of independent internet use can use family password managers to teach good password hygiene from the start, introducing children to strong, unique passwords and the concept of secure credential management as a fundamental digital literacy skill. The shared vault functionality addresses one of the most common real-world password security failures: household members writing shared passwords on paper, storing them in unencrypted notes applications, or reusing simple memorable passwords for shared accounts because they have no convenient, secure sharing mechanism.
Self-hosted password manager. A self-hosted password manager runs on server infrastructure that the user owns and operates, typically a home server, personal NAS device, or private cloud instance, combining the accessibility of cloud synchronization with complete data sovereignty. Bitwarden, an unofficial compatible implementation of the Bitwarden server, is the most widely deployed self-hosted password manager, allowing technically capable users to run their own password management server at home or on their own cloud infrastructure at minimal cost. The privacy argument for self-hosting is compelling. With no third-party company involved in storing or syncing password data, the user eliminates all external parties from their password security model, with data sovereignty limited only by the security of their own infrastructure. Self-hosting requires meaningful technical knowledge and ongoing maintenance responsibility. The user becomes responsible for keeping their server software updated, maintaining backups, ensuring uptime, and securing their server from external access by unauthorized parties.
Organizations with strict data residency requirements, particularly those subject to regulations specifying where sensitive data must be stored geographically, sometimes use self-hosted password managers to ensure credential data never leaves their own infrastructure.
Hardware password managers are physical devices, USB keys, smart cards, or dedicated hardware tokens that store credentials in secure hardware rather than in software on a general-purpose computer, providing a level of physical security isolation that software solutions cannot achieve. YubiKey and OnlyKey are the most widely recognized hardware password manager devices, compact devices that connect via USB or NFC and store credentials in tamper-resistant hardware with the actual credential values never exposed to the operating system of the computer they connect to. The security isolation of hardware password managers is their defining advantage. Even if the computer they are connected to is completely compromised by malware, the credentials stored in the hardware remain inaccessible because the malware cannot reach into the secure hardware element. Hardware devices provide physical security that software cannot replicate. Credentials cannot be stolen through remote network attacks. The device must be physically present for credentials to be accessible, and tamper-resistant designs make extracting stored data from the hardware extremely difficult, even with physical possession. The significant practical limitation of hardware password managers is that they require physical possession for every authentication. Leaving the hardware device at home means no password access, and losing the device requires careful recovery procedures, making them most appropriate for protecting the highest value credentials rather than everyday login management.
That covers 10 password managers that keep you safe. If this video helped you understand something new, make sure you subscribe to ByteSimple right now, because next week we're breaking down 10 two-factor authentication types that protect your accounts. And trust me, you do not want to miss that one. Drop a comment below and tell us which password manager are you using right now. See you in the next one.